welcome back to the EVA channel. Today I have a special guest. It is Mommy.
Hi EVA subscribers.
Today we're doing a cooking video.
So today we are going to make Hawaiian kielbasa. And Eva is going to be my big helper.
Yeah.
And we're going to do it in a crock pot after we get everything in here. You can cook this on low in the crock pot for 2 hours or on high for 30 minutes.
Yeah. 2 or 3 or 4.
And to avoid mess, we're going to use a crock pot bag. Or crock pot liner, I guess is the right term for it.
And I'm going to be dumping the kielbasa in and putting the pineapple in.
All right, so Eva, go right ahead and put in the kielbasa. Good job. We already had it all cut up for her. All right, so next we're going to dump in the pineapple. You can use any pineapple you want. Today we're using the pineapple slices. And I already drained most of the juice out. It doesn't hurt to have a little bit of the juice. Good job. And our hands are clean. We washed them before we got started. So we're just gonna go ahead and move those pineapples around a little bit. But we're gonna start anyway, so it's okay. All right. Good job.
I really want that red one.
So the next thing that we're gonna do is take some garlic salt. And Eva's just gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt in, not too much. Good job.
Ew.
Next, Daddy's favorite seasoning. It's the Grill Mates hamburger seasoning.
And
we
mine.
use it, and Eva's, and we use it on everything, not just hamburgers. I think it goes in almost every meal that we cook.
Yeah.
So go ahead and sprinkle some of that in there. Go ahead, you can put a lot of that in. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay.
Ew.
Next, that's it for the seasonings, but next we're going to do some sauces. We're going to put in some, oh, whoops, we dropped it. Next we're going to put in some honey Dijon mustard, and that's good, Eva.
Ew.
Oh, it squirted, Mommy.
Ew.
And then I have some of this organic stir-in ginger paste. We're just going to put a little bit of that in. We don't want a lot. Here, let's try shaking it maybe. It might need shaking. There we go. All right, go ahead. Squeeze a little bit in there. Not a lot, just a little. Do a little bit more. All right, good job. All right.
Ew.
Oh, it squirted me again. This is my secret. When you look up the recipe for this online, you're not going to see this as an ingredient.
Yeah, it's soy sauce.
It's not. It's Worcestershire sauce. Can you say that? Say Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Good job.
And soy sauce. Remember soy sauce? I ate a lot of soy sauce, and I got a soy sauce bird.
Yeah, when you eat too much because it's so salty. So this is Worcestershire sauce. I'm probably not even saying it right, but that's how I say it. I just put a little bit of this in here, but it gives it just a nice little kick. Not a whole bunchy, but just a little bit. You could do a little bit more than that. We'll do. You see what my little bit is.
Ew.
All right. Next,
the barbecue sauce.
lots and lots of barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
We use the Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Eva, you can dump the whole bottle in. You need some help?
No.
If you just squeeze it.
Okay.
Good job. Keep squeezing. I think
Too
we're getting
hard.
to the bottom. I think we're getting to the bottom. Let me see. I'm going to give it a shake. All right, so we'll just let this sit upside down. And then after I empty the bottle, I go put some water in it and shake it and put that in there just to finish it off. And then lastly is the brown sugar. For some reason I had a clip on our brown sugar, but it got hard, but it'll still do the trick. So Eva, Mommy actually is gonna rip a bigger hole for you, and you can just pour it in.
Okay, Mom.
And you could do the whole bag, baby. Good job.
Back.
All right, guys, we are back. I put some water in the barbecue sauce bottle. Eva's gonna go ahead and just pour it in.
All of it?
Yep, all of it. And this will give it just a little bit of extra liquid to cook in. Great job.
Yeah.
All right, so now
We have to stir.
we're gonna stir it. I'm gonna give it one good stir because Eva, if you try to stir this, it's gonna be really hard.
And then what? We're gonna end the video.
We're gonna put it in the crock pot and let it cook.
Yeah, but we already got the crock pot.
Yeah, but it has to cook in the crock pot. Oh, did I hit you with that?
In my eye.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to say sorry because we're doing a video. Ew, look at the pineapple. Ew. That's just
And as you stir it, regardless of what pineapples you use, they're gonna break up in here anyways, but that's why it really doesn't matter.
And Daddy's gonna be super mad because we used all of the pineapples and that's the last one.
Daddy loves pineapples.
Yeah, there's more juice.
But there's lots of pineapples in the cupboard still, so he'll be okay.
Can I pour the juice in it again?
Go ahead. And Daddy gets to eat dinner,
Yeah.
so can't complain too much, right?
Yeah. And
Oh,
this is
great.
my cousin right there.
Oh, Elijah up on the wall,
Yeah.
my nephew.
And he's my cousin. My baby brother's name is Elijah too. You're his stepmom.
Yep.
And I'm his sister. I'm his big sister.
I know Eva's new to YouTube, and we never really did an introduction video, but there is me and her dad, who is Daron, and together we have 5 kids. So there are 7. We're a family of 7.
Yeah, so we have Nazir, Ron, Charlie, me, and Elijah.
Yeah. And Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
So needless to say, we always have to have a big house because there's a lot of us, but they keep us busy and they keep us entertained.
Yeah, that's why we have a big living room for a family movie night.
This is true, but they do. They keep us busy, and right now with everybody being quarantined and locked at home, busy is what we need, so.
Yeah, and we can't go to restaurants. We can't be around people. We can call somebody. We can stay in our house and chill. Or we can watch a movie or do movie theaters, you know.
All right, so Eva, do you want to tell them that we are going to go put this in the crock pot and we will be...
Ended the video.
No, we'll be back whenever it's done cooking. Dinner's ready.
All right, we're out of here. Make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe because we do fun videos on the EVA channel every single day. Love you guys.